Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. This is very easy to make. What's not easy is deciding which of the many delicious toppings to use. I usually make this in a 26 cm, 9.5 inch, glass dish, so the cheesecake is rather large. If you scale the recipe size to 3/4, you'll have the correct volume for a smaller pan in the 16 to 20 cm, roughly 6.5 to 7.5 inch, range. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Cream cheese, yogurt, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, lemon juice, egg, breadcrumb crust. Now let's make it. Soften the cream cheese. If you are in a hurry, cut it into small chunks, and slowly warm it up in a microwave, about 30 seconds at a time until soft. Preheat oven to 180 C, 350 F. Mix the cream cheese in a medium-sized bowl with an electric mixer for several minutes until smooth. Mix in yogurt or sour cream, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla flavoring, and lemon juice. Mix in the eggs, one at a time just until incorporated. Do not overmix. Pour mixture into the pie crust. I make my crust in a glass dish, and cover just the bottom, so I coat the exposed sides with oil or cooking spray. Use a spatula to get every last delicious drop. Bake at 180 C, 350 F, for 30 minutes. Reduce heat and bake at 160 degrees Celsius, 323 degrees Fahrenheit, for an additional 30 minutes. I do this in my oven toaster, and I put a piece of foil over the top at this step to prevent the top from browning too much. There are other tricks such as adding a cup of water to your oven to keep things moist, but the heat reduction and foil trick works best for me. Remove from oven when the cheesecake is golden brown, and the internal temperature has reached 65 C, 150 F. At this stage, the edges should be a bit stiff, and the center still a bit wiggly, like gelatin. To avoid cracks, cool slightly in the oven with the door open, then a bit longer on a wire rack. Finally, chill for 4 hours before adding topping and serving. Serve plain or with your favorite toppings such as berry sauce, lemon curd, salted caramel, crushed cookies, or crushed candy bars. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. YouTube users can leave comments below. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.